Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video we will see one more product unboxing, and that one is a 70mai Dashcam 4K A800SE set. I'm purchasing this one from Amazon. I already added this product link in video description, so you should click and purchase this one. The product price is of €112. Two model is available. All the description is here for the dash cam, so you can avoid accident footage and you can very easily recover insurance claim as well if you purchase this product. In this video we will see unboxing and how to set up this product in my car, and afterwards which types of footage we are receiving. So let's check it out. So this is our product. Got the wrapper and let's see which types of product we are receiving. But we just simply open this box is a really premium quality. After that I just simply open. This is the 4K HDR dual channel recording. Inside the box we receive here one box, and for here we receive 128 GB memory card coming here, micro SD. The brand name is the same, 70mai. Dedicated memory card here, 24-hour parking surveillance, some magic booklet. Before fix the dash cam, you just fix out this sticker first of all, so next time if you want to remove, glass is not damaged. Two types tape, and apart from that here is our product. So first of all, this one is a little tiny, so backside you just simply fix here and the recording is a start. Here is our main product. Please remove before use. It's really tiny. I just simply remove. So here is the display. Here you just simply put it here, memory card. Inside the box we receive here the cable as well, and this is the old version, so you should provide all time battery. And the another cable for the back side you need to fix here properly like this, and then after you need to connect this one here as well. So both recording is stored in this memory card. I just simply connect here and start. This is the start. Here the language you should select. The different languages is also available, so which language you want, like accordingly you should decide and fix up and down and then select. For this one it's easy, again smart way forward. So system time and date, select from the like a 1st of Jan, or you won't change something, so you just simply say here like this. This is the month, the date, and say okay. Parking surveillance, you can just simply scan this QR code and download this application in your iPhone European, and we can download the application. Application is very small, so we can access this device using this application. Say connect, please format the okay, I simply format before accessing, agree. Meanwhile connect. You need to sign up first of all. The memory card is a format. Now the recording as well is a start. First of all, I just simply, before using this one, we need to create this account for the application. So my device is this A800S, so I just simply say here my device is showing here, mobile access. Configure this device, it's easy. Afterwards showing here, you just simply press here and now it's done. Connect the dash cam, join, and it's easy to connect as well. Look at this here, the device data is automatically showing here. Got it? Look at this, app is connected. Now my application is showing here, and if I am here, so still recording is coming like this. So this is the way. Even the one more important point, you can change the location as well, around 60 degrees Celsius. Now we can go outside and fix this device on my car, and let's see which types of footage we are receiving. In the car and measure here, so which location is the best. So as a demo point of view, I just simply connect here in my personal charging cable in here and then start this device. So look at this, the device is a start here regarding the memory, and just simply verify which location is the best here to recording perspective. Accordingly you just simply set first of all this position is a perfectly okay. Then second thing, you already received two types of tape as well, and fix here So next time if you want to remove this one, so you can very easily remove. And afterward, this two side tape we receive like this. So I just simply fix here. I just simply remove the sticker and fix here in the camera like this. I measure properly like this and then try to fix out here like this. Then I just simply remove this one, two side of this, and then fix here. Okay, this measurement is perfect. So now it's fixed. So here some of the footage is automatically display. If I play here, so this is the footage like 50 seconds. If I give back, so it's very easy. Now recording is a start automatically. Here time and date is also showing. You want change some footage as well, so you can very easily change as well location. It's easy. If you want switch off this one, so you just simply switch off pressing this button, and this is the switch off. Now we can see next footage, which types of recording we are receiving. This is the footage you are receiving after fix this dash cam in your car, and we are receiving its really impressive dash cam. So this is the simple unboxing and installation and footage video coming from 70mai 4K A800SE set. If you have any question related on this product, you should ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.